Kia ora tātou e te whānau. Ko tēnei te wiki o te reo Māori. He kaupapa mīharo rawa atu tēnei. O tira he kaupapa whakahirahira tēnei mō tātou te iwi Māori. He tino wero tēnei moku. Mō tēnei wiki. Ki te kōrero i tō tātou reo. I te wā ka tūtaki ahau i te tangata. Mena ka mōhio ia ki te kōrero i te reo. Ko tēnei tāku, ka puta i te reo. Nō reira, mehe mea ka kite koe i āhau. Ahakoa he iti tō reo. Mehe mea he matatau tō reo kōrero mai ki āhau. Ko tēnei te wā ki te whakapakare i te reo. Kia ora i tō tātou reo rangatira. Kia ora everybody. This is Māori Language Week. And this is a pretty good kaupapa for our people, for our language. And this is the first time that I'm pretty much going to be trying really hard to speak te reo Māori as often as I can. So if you see me, I mean, you can speak, whether if it's one word, whether you're really, really good, please speak. And I'm just keen to use this to learn more, to grow more, because I'm still a student of te reo Māori. I'm not fluent, but I'm learning night classes at Te Whare Wānanga o Wanuiarangi. And since being there, my confidence is growing. And there, in the past, there was a bit of lack of confidence with speaking te reo Māori. And it came from this whakaaro that if you're Māori but you can't speak, does that make you Māori? And it's an interesting wānanga, because although you may not be able to speak, you're definitely still Māori because of your blood, because of whakapapa. But what I believe, just through the journey that I'm on now, is that what te reo Māori does, it gives you a more deeper and richer understanding of what it means to be Māori. Because our language is so beautiful, it's poetic, and it just goes to show the type of thinking our ancestors, our tupuna had when they were speaking. You know, it's just an amazing way to look. You know, the Māori worldview is just so amazing, and that's what I feel te reo Māori does. It just gives you a richer and deeper insight, and gives you more aroha, more love for our people, for our language, and who we are. So, yeah, ko tēnei te wiki o te reo Māori. So let's use this as a platform, or as a time to try and normalise our language, because I'm trying to look a bit further than a week, and yeah, just keen just to embrace this and grow, and yes, so our language lives, and so we grow as a people. So i runga i tērā e te whānau, kia kaha i tēnei wiki, kia māia, kia manawa nui, kia koutou katoa. Mauri ora.